Hey everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and today I want to go through a quick basic video just showing you how to insert your SIM card only into the Huawei P20. So a massive thank you to Vodafone who have supplied the Huawei P20, and we're going to use their nano size SIM card here to insert into our device. As you will see, there is no SD card as this device doesn't have an SD card option, as it does have 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. So that's a good thing, and I'm going to talk a bit later on what else you can do to maybe get some extra storage thanks to cloud-based services. So first of all, make sure your phone is powered off, make sure you have the correct SIM card, which is a nano SIM, and the correct SIM tool as well, as the different SIM tools have different sizes. I don't want you to damage your device. So it's all powered off here. What we need to do is look down at the left hand side, and what you can see right near at the top here is a little pinhole. This is where you need to get your SIM tool. So take your SIM tool and align them two up and push straight down. So once your SIM tool is in there, just push straight down and you'll see that the tray pops out. So what we're going to do is put that back down. We're going to take the tray out so you can just see the SIM card slot here. So taking our SIM card, the cut-off edge is at the bottom right-hand corner and the gold chip is facing down. So once in, it will sit in the tray like this. It will fall out, so make sure you do hold it steady. Take our device, make sure you keep it nice and flat. So align the tray back up. So push that all the way in there. Then we're going to power on our device. So as I was saying, you can use cloud services. So there's a couple of options I did look for. So you can use Dropbox, and they only offer 5 gigabytes of free storage. Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of storage. And with that, you will need to use that for your emails, your photographs, and everything else, as well as backups, so please be careful with that. They do have a range of price options as well. 100 gigabytes will cost you £1.59 per month. A terabyte will cost you £7.99, which is a huge amount, and 10 terabytes will cost you £79.99 per month. Then also Huawei have a couple of options as well. So you can use the Huawei cloud service. They offer a free 5 gigabytes worth of storage, and also there is more storage options coming in the second quarter of 2018, so watch out for that. Now our SIM card is in, it's up and running. You've got Vodafone UK here, we've got our signal bars, and then we're ready to use our device. If you do have any questions or queries about this video, please drop a comment down below. Remember, there is no SD card on this device, but internal is 128 gigabytes, and with the storage options that I have gone through as well, you should have enough storage, so you can even use the free services for Dropbox, Huawei Cloud, and Google Drive. So the choice is yours. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe, and also ring that little bell so you stay updated when new videos go live. Thanks always for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.